Oh, I forgot to say it. Hello everybody, this is Random Haha here, and we are feeding birds. Yeah, what we do on a daily basis right here. If we ain't playing video games, we're feeding birds. Random car, get out of my view. Come on now, random vehicles, get out of the... Y'all ain't getting famous on my tube. Stop. Stop, cart. See if we can get him. Yeah, there we go. Doink. Dad over here is going to give away all of his food so I can record all this.
Alright guys, here, that's the last of it.
Hey, look at that, he actually bit you. That was funny.
I got bird bit.
You got bird bit. Pressing charges now. I was like, whoa, 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 what's all that shit? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as I can. Love y'all. Bye.